So welcome back people again to MG Sports TV, and this is a video that I've been planning to do for a long time, and for some reason I don't know, but it is actually my reaction to my Copa America preview, and I tell people, say it is diabolical. Now when I say fans are deluded, this is exactly what they mean by fans are deluded. These predictions, can you imagine? But anyways, we're gonna get into them, people. These predictions cover the games that we're gonna play, the score lines, top player for us, leading goal scorer for us, breakout player, the easiest game for us, another one of the worst game we'll play. But anyways, we're going to touch on to that, people. You don't know anything already. Let's get a little bit into the YouTube. So first of all, I want to say thank you very much all for the continued support. I really, really appreciate it. Massive, massive respect every time, all the time. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you don't like the video, hit the dislike button. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time and you want more videos like this. Would be interesting. So let's get straight into the meat of the matter. I'm not going to waste the time because I don't want this video to be too long, and I just want to get it out of the way as fast as possible. So let's get straight to it. One, I said in the initial aspect, I said predictions are a fragment of your imagination. Basically, what you would expect to happen, what you would love to see happen. So if you ever get it wrong, nothing wrong with that. Because you don't know, we can't predict the future. But we can make an assumption. Let's go. And listen, you know what, I'm going to make an assumption for myself. I make an assumption. Let's get straight into it. So, the easiest game, in my prediction, I said Venezuela should be the easiest game that we're going to play. And we just not look on FIFA ranking. Because remember, people, we're not kicking a ball yet. We don't kick up ball as yet. So I said the easiest game should be Venezuela. And because of the FIFA ranking, basically. And apparently, Venezuela topped the group. You see how interesting that is? And I said, we lost a game. I said we lost a game 3-0, in which, quote unquote, should have been the easiest game. Toughest game, I said, was Mexico, and we only lost a game 1-0. And the reason I'm putting them in the toughest category, you know, a little bit of the rivalry, the CONCACAF thing. Yeah, a little bit of that. Then now I went directly into the game predictions. Like all three games, how the scoreline would work out. Because I have to calculate it and maximize our chances of making it to the next round via predictions. All right, so first game prediction is the Mexico game. I predicted us to end that game 1-1. And based off of the game panned out, I honestly believe that we could have most definitely get something from that game. That substitution that Algrips to take out Bernard was puzzling. And I think he brought on Hector and Damian Lowe. Was it that game? Anyways, it was very, very puzzling. I'm not sure. But we could have most definitely got something from that game. Unfortunately, we lost that game. I said a draw, 1-1, but in reality, we lost that game. The next game now, the Ecuador game. And I'm saying, you know what? Ecuador is another tough opponent, you know. I said a nil draw. we lose the Ecuador game 3-1. So I predicted a nil draw. We lose the Ecuador game 3-1. Now, I'm going to put up the match somewhere up here, so you guys are up here, so you guys can see, think up here, so you guys can see those predictions for yourself, and just go and laugh, go and laugh. Ecuador, this is the match that we scored our first Copa America goal in. We have to give thanks for that to Mikel Antonio. And then now the next prediction for the next game would have been Venezuela. And according to FIFA ranking again, which goes to FIFA ranking, foolishness, total foolishness, I have us beating Venezuela 1-0. And that Venezuela game was the only game that we were comprehensively slapped. 3-0. Comprehensively slapped. 3-0. All right, so we also look at some smaller metrics as well, like goals conceded. I predicted us to concede 1 goal in the group stages. And in total, we conceded 7 goals. Goal scored, I said we're going to score 2 goals, and we only managed to score 1. Thanks again, Mikel Antonio. Clean sheets, I said 2 clean sheets, and we end up with 0. No, leading goal scorer, I predicted us to have our leading goal scorer to be Demarai Gray with 2 goals. Very much unfortunate. That's not the case. And in reality, our leading goal scorer is Mikel Antonio with 1 goal. Top performer. This metric was done based off players who have been having good games for us over time period. So I said Bobby Reed and Ethan Pinnock. And because we know so we're going to have tough competition, we're going to do a lot of defending. I have to add Ethan Pinnock in because Ethan Pinnock would have to have really, really good games for us to get the results that I already initially predicted. And for this competition, I have to say, I still have Ethan Pinnock as one of our top performances. I think maybe we could have add Dexter and Lembikisa. Thought Lembikisa had a good campaign. Thought he had a good campaign. But overall, I thought this is one of these 3 games are 3 of Mikel Antonio's best games that he has played for us in a long while. Maybe has ever played for us, actually. So, Ethan Pinnock, Lembikisa, and Mikel Antonio, I'll have to say, are tough performances throughout it. Maybe we couldn't give it a tough still because the goalkeeper played some good games, but unfortunately, just never work out. And last prediction on the list was breakout player, and I had Cephas as the breakout player. Unfortunately, he did not get the opportunity to even break in the first team as often as we'd wanted to. Even though we called for him, based off how the team is playing, a lot of defensive, no without an out ball, but Al Grimson never necessarily saw it fit. He got a few minutes, still showed what he can do. Nevertheless, that's it. And I think that covers all of the of the composition. And I did predict us to advance into the second round of the Copa, knockout stages of the Copa America. And very much unfortunately, that did not happen. And all of these predictions were totally wrong. But guess what? It don't stop there because the U20 competition is coming up, and I'm going to do a preview show, a prediction show for that as well. So you can join me to hear all the things I may have to get wrong again. No problem. At the end of the competition, we'll go at it again and laugh about it. Ha ha ha. Boy, rough. It's rough. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. God bless. We're out. Boom. Copa America, the at the finals, the at people finals, the at. Congratulations, Argentina. Well done. Well done. Finals was at people. Euros, boring. Some sense. But Copa America, there's a thing there. Big up, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. See you again. Like, share, and subscribe. Link in the comment section, people. If you want to buy us a coffee, we'd appreciate it if you do so. See you guys next time. We're out. Peace out. God bless.